Hello everyone and welcome back to The Forge. Now over the course of time that we've had our channel here on YouTube, we've done quite a few things out of railroad spikes. Of course we've done the railroad spike knife, which is one of the most common things that railroad spikes are used for. We have forged out a little mini garden hoe. You can see that video on the channel, of course. Most of you have probably already seen it. Can't get into focus. And we forged out this garden claw right here. One of our first few videos. But we never forged out a wall hook. So today we're going to take this spike right here and we're going to try to forge out a wall hook that would be used to hang like a hanging plant or a dinner bell triangle, something like that. We're going to start with going over to the bandsaw and we're going to cut down about 2.5 inches from the head straight down the body here. And then we will go ahead and move on into forging out the hook portion out of this end, probably give it a twist before we open this up down here and punch the holes where the screws can hold this up. So let's go ahead and get the forge lit, get this cut, and get to work. Go about 2.5 inches. We're just going to go ahead and eyeball it there. Looks like we're in the ballpark of about right here or so. And you're going to want to just cut this straight down the middle. Go through the head, right down to our line there. You can do this with a hacksaw with it clamped in the vise. I have this bandsaw, so I'm going to use it. Alright, now we're going to want to leave our end here alone. Even though we split this, we're not going to spread it open yet until we get the hook end of this forged out. The reason being is because if I spread this open right now, I'm going to be fighting with it and struggling with it, trying to keep it from getting bent and marred up and everything else. I'm going to go ahead, plus it's easier to work this way. I mean, I can put it in my V-bit tongs, I can hold it easier. We'll focus on drawing this out, get it to where we need it, and then we'll flip it over and open these up and then form our hook end on it. So let's go ahead and get it thrown in the forge, get it heating up. Now that we've drawn this out, I'm going to forge our hook portion from about right here forward. I'm going to leave this thick like this because I plan on coming back and putting a decorative twist into it. So let's go ahead and work this end here and get it drawn out for the hook. Alright, at this point right here, we're pretty much finished. All we need to do is go over and drill the holes. Then I'll throw it back in the forge and get it warmed up. We'll dip it in some oil, then in some water. Give it a good wire brush, and it should be fixed up. We'll hang it up and give her a look. Alright, let's go get these holes drilled. Alright, and with that, we add to our ever-growing collection of railroad spike stuff. I appreciate you for joining us today. If you would, hit that like and subscribe button. Ring the bell for notifications of our newest videos. And if you hadn't had a chance, check out our latest Copus video. Here's a little sneak peek of the way the antler looks, or the horn I mean, on the handle there. Part 2 of that is out right now. If you hadn't had a chance, go check it out. Really excited about that project. But yeah, like I said, I appreciate you for joining us. You have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.